Would you like to make money simply by typing on your computer, both men and women? Hey everyone, this is PA Video once again. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's discuss 8 online typing job that requires minimal to no skill, which you can begin today. I value your time and I don't want to waste it, folks. For each of this website, I will keep my discussion brief, limiting myself to 1 minute or less. Our first website is Mod Squad, found at modsquad.com. At Mod Squad, you will engage in the content moderation. Content moderation involves ensuring that the online posts are suitable for all viewers. Occasionally, people may share unkind and inappropriate content, and your responsibility will be to identify and flag such comments for removal. Additionally, you may need to verify the accuracy of the content and ensure it's not spam. Your task could range from managing forum posts to reviewing chat logs on platforms like Discord. In addition to content moderation, there are other services available, such as customer support and similar roles. However, it's best to visit their main website for further details. In the description, you will find a specific page where you can join their squad. The Apply Today button can be found if you scroll in the middle of the page. Additionally, on Indeed, you can find that the average hourly pay for the community associate ranges from $10 to $19. Now moving on to the next set of websites, they belong to the same category and offer opportunities to earn money easily. For the following website, they offer a similar opportunity where you can participate in focus groups. These focus groups involve researchers from various fields who seek input from everyday individuals like us regarding their studies on products, services, or scientific matters. They value your feedback, and the best part is that these interviews can be conducted entirely online. You won't need to meet an interviewer in person. Instead, conveniently type up your answers to the questions they post. To join Rankington Insight, you can click on any available sign-up buttons provided on the website. For Pinecone Research, you will come across a cheerful Asian man on their website. Simply provide the required information, fill out the form, and click the Sign Up Now button to proceed. As for the Try Product website, all you need to do is provide your name and email address. By signing up, you can participate in focus groups and provide typed reviews for various products. The necessary links are available in the description for your convenience. Moving on to the next website, we have Text Royale, accessible at textroyale.com. Here you can engage in general freelancing writing, offering a variety of writing gigs. This includes assisting others in writing articles for their website, crafting social media posts, and even working on academic papers and essays. However, navigating the website to find the application section can be confusing. To simplify the process, I will provide you the relevant links in the description for your convenience. It's essential to note that Text Royale pays on a per-word basis, with potential earning of up to 3 cents per word. However, starting off, you will begin at the rate of 1% per word and gradually progress as you demonstrate consistently and maintain good quality score across several projects. Consistently and delivering high-quality writings are the key factors to advance and access higher-paying projects. Now let's discuss an excellent opportunity called Life Points. It offers a Life Point panel app that can be installed on both Androids and iOS devices. This app is similar to the focus group website mentioned earlier. What sets it apart is the convenience of being able to use it on the go without the need of the computer. You can even participate while sitting on your couch. The Life Points app has million downloads on the Google Play Store and boasts a fantastic rating of 4.4 star. To download the app, you don't have to go through the Play Store or App Store. Instead, I will provide a direct link in the description that leads to the sign-up form and guides you to the correct app. On their website, you'll find that you can cash out your earnings through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Trustpilot reviews also reflected positive feedback about this company. While time constraints prevent me from going into the further detail, I encourage you to give Life Points a try. And now, let's continue with our next online typing opportunity. Now, let's explore Action Data, which you can be found at actiondata.com. I've mentioned this platform before, so I'll provide a brief overview. Action Data primarily offers a data entry job while you utilize your keyboards to input various types of data. They serve as a company that provides data entry services to other businesses. However, it's important to note that their main page is not where you should sign up. Instead, you can click on the link provided in the description to access the employment section of Action Data. There, you will find details about the work you'll be performing. As an individual contractor, you will enjoy flexible work arrangements and be self-employed while receiving compensation from the company. Payment is typically based on a flat rate per document and entry completed. This means that the faster you work, the more you can potentially earn through the platform. Now let's delve into an exciting online opportunity that has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars per month. This particular platform is called Wing Assistant, accessible at wingassistant.com. As the name suggests, you will be working as a virtual assistant, providing online assistance to individuals and businesses. Similar to Action Data, Wing Assistant acts as the intermediary, connecting you with clients in need of virtual assistance. While the primary task involves typing content and emails, the role extends beyond that. You may find yourself answering phone calls or making travel arrangements, among other responsibilities. It's worth noting that Wing Assistant charges clients a monthly fee ranging from $4 to $16, depending on the level of assistance required, such as having 1 or 2 full-time assistants. Your payment as a part-time or full-time virtual assistant will likely fall between these amounts, depending on the workload you undertake. By taking on multiple clients, it's possible to earn a few $1,000s per month by assisting them with their daily tasks and typing needs. To sign up as an assistant, please utilize the link provided in the description, as it will direct you to the appropriate website. Wing Assistant welcomes applications from various locations and backgrounds, including the Philippines, India, Mexico, and the United States. Follow the application process on their website to get started. And now, let's move on to our next online side hustle opportunity. It's called My Points. This platform is quite similar to Life Points, but it offers a notable advantage. When you sign up and confirm your account, they immediately grant you with a generous $10 gift card bonus. This sign-up bonus is one of the most substantial I've come across of such a website. Like Life Points, My Points allow you to earn points by answering questionnaires and participating in surveys. These points can later be redeemed for various rewards. But My Points does have a mobile app available for installation. I personally find it somewhat unsatisfactory. Hence, I recommend utilizing their website instead. To sign up for My Points, simply follow the link provided in the description below. As you can see, they prominently advertise the free $10 welcome bonus, allowing you to select either $10 Amazon gift card or a $10 Visa gift card. I advise you to try it out if you're interested. Let me introduce you to another online job opportunity, Appen. It is a well-known platform that offers a range of remote positions, including data annotation, linguistic analysis, and artificial intelligence training. If you're interested from working from the comfort of your home and contributing to exciting projects, I recommend visiting Appen's career page to explore the available job opportunities. To get started and earn money, visit Appen website, register by providing the necessary details, verify your account if necessary, log in using your credentials, browse through the available opportunities, follow the instruction provided to complete the assigned task, earn money as you successfully completed tasks, familiarize yourself with the payout option and requirements, cash out or redeem your earnings according to the platform's guideline. By following this step, you can join Appen and begin earning money through their online typing jobs. Exploring online typing jobs can be a great way to earn money and utilize your keyboard skills from the comfort of your own home. The opportunities I have discussed, ranging from content moderation to virtual assistant, data entry, and more, provide a diverse range of options to suit different interests and skill levels. Remember, it's essential to do a thorough research and choose reputable platforms that align with your goals and values. Take advantage of the links provided in the description to find additional information and sign up for these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to explore other videos on various online money-making methods. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notification for future updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.